Hello children, class 7th exercise 11.3. The question number is 15. Find the circumference of the inner. We have to find the circumference of the inner and the outer circle shown in the adjoining figure, and pi value is given 3.14. Now question number 15, and the diagram is given. This is the central. From center till here it is given 19 meter, and the path of this outer circle is 10 meter. So first I will find the area of the big circle. First I will find the circumference of the big circle. A circumference of big circle, because from center the radius is given 19, so radius is 19 meter, and the circumference formula is 2 pi r. 2 pi value is given 3.14 and the radius is given 19. To the first I multiply 2 nines are 18, 1 2 ones are 2, 3, 38 into 3.14. Now 3.14 will be multiplied 38. 8 fours are 32, 8, 9, 10, 11, 8 threes are 24, 25, 3 fours are 12, 1, 3, 4, 3 threes are 9, 2, 3, 9, 9, 10, 11. Decimal is after 2 digit to put 2. So your circumference is 119.32. It is the circumference, so we'll write only meter. Now I will find the circumference of the smaller circle. Circumference of small circle. So the radius, we know the radius of the bigger circle is 19, and the area of this path, the length of this path is 10 meter, should be subtracted, so you will get 9 meter. The radius is 9 meter of a smaller circle, and circumference formula is 2 pi r. 2 into pi's value 3.14, multiply by 9, 2 nines are 18, and multiply by 3.14. Again do the multiplications. 3.14 into 18. 8 fours are 32, 8, 9, 10, 11, 8 threes are 24, 25, 1 fours are 4, 1, 3, 2, 5, 6, 5, point after 2 decimal, so this is your area 56.52 meter, and question are show in, we have to just find the circumference of these two. So this is, so these are our final answer. Question 16. How many times a wheel of radius 28 centimeter must rotate to go 352 meter, and pi value is given 22/7. Now this is question number 15. Wheel, गाड़ियों की जो wheel होती है और always is in the shape of circle only, and the wheel of the radius is given is 28 centimeter. First we find the circumference of the wheel. The radius of wheel is given, that is 28 centimeter. Now we'll find circumference of wheel, that is 2 pi r. Pi values this time is given 22/7, and radius is 28. 7 ones are 7, 4s are 2 into 22 into 44, into 4, 4 4s are 16, 1 16 plus 1 17 circumference, so we can write centimeter. Now they have given the rotate to wheel rotated to go 352 meter. Okay, and we have to find the number of rotation of the wheel. So we can find, this is given in meter, so I will convert this into centimeter. So 352 will be multiplied by 100 क्योंकि 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So I multiply this by 100, so it will get 35200 centimeter. So number of rotation of wheels we have to find. So this will come 35200 upon 176. Now we'll do the cancellation with the table of 2. Now 2 1s are 2 7s are 14, 1 2 6 are 2 0 will come, 2 8s are 1 8s are, again this will be multiply, I am doing cancellation with 11, 11 8s are 11 1s are, 6 will go, 11 6 are, and 2 0 will come. Now 8 1s are 8 2s are 2 0. So 200 times the wheels will be rotate. Question number is 16. Question 17. The minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeter long. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? The pi value is given 3.14. This is the question number 17. The last question of exercise 11.3. Now क्लॉक है, सर्क्यूलर में है, द सेंटर से ही हमेशा मिनट हैंड्स होता है. मिनट हैंड इज अ रेडियस ऑफ दिस सर्क्यूलर. द क्लॉक सर्क्यूलर क्लॉक the radius is equal to minute hand, and that is 15 meter. And they told us how far does the tip of the minute hand, this is the tip, how can this rotate in this line, 1 घंटे तक घूमेगी, again it will come here only. So we have to find the circumference of this clock. Okay, then the circumference of circular clock, that is 2 pi r, and this time pi value is given 3.14 and the radius is 15. 2 into 15 30 into 3.14, so we can multiply, that is 30 0 0 3 3 1s are 3 3 3s are 3 4s are 12, 1 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4 and 3 3s are 9. So 0 2 4 9, decimal after 2 put after 2, तो 94.2 circumference है, तो मीटर होगा. This is your final answer. You can write the answer also. The tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour, that is 94.20 meter. If you like this video, share, subscribe and like the. Thank you.